And then this is part 2 of the last video. And in the last video I followed the wire to right under the driver's side door. Now it's here. I've got the one wire going from the switch to the power. I just basically broke into the wiring harness right here for the main power to the compressor. Right here. Right there's a ground for my switch. I just ran them out and connected them here. It's not very aesthetically pleasing, but it was convenient and easy to get to. So, and that's kind of how the guy I am. I'd rather go for functionality than, you know, making it look pretty sometimes. I wired a fuse in right here and ran everything directly off the battery. I made sure I had this fuse. The Viking air kit does not come with it comes with a pressure shutoff switch, but I don't trust electronics, so I put there's plenty of ports on my air tank. I put a pop-off valve. I think it pops off at like 170 psi or something. So, and the compressor only goes to like 160. So, I don't know. I just didn't like the idea of possibly the tank getting hot or something, overpressurizing and blowing up in the cab with me. I don't know. Murphy tends to show up when you least expect them. So, but yeah. So there it is. The wire goes back, runs down the inside of the frame, goes into the cab to the center console switch. Goes from there back, traces back to the back of the cab, goes to the compressor, and then it grounds out, and then the horn breaks in through here, goes through the firewall to the switch, so I can flip it on and off. I could have wired it in with the regular horn, but I didn't want to. And yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching.